Hey everyone, it's Anas. In this video I'll be showing you how to do a Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus screen replacement, and no worries, I'll be linking to all the tools and the parts in the description below for you. Before we get the repair started, I want you to subscribe to this channel, that way every time I release Galaxy repair videos like these, you'll get notified. Hey everyone, it's Anas from Battery Shack. In this channel we cover everything from batteries to gadget repairs to help you fix your own gadgets and make a better battery decisions on your next purchase. If you like these kind of videos, please like, share, subscribe to this channel. Let's get the repair started. Today we'll be doing the screen replacement for the Galaxy S8 Plus. Now the new part, you will get the screen, the top layer, which is the digitizer with the LCD, and the frame all around it. So this should be a very easy repair for you guys. So the first step is basically we're putting the new part to the side first because we're not going to use it now. So we're going to power the phone off. Okay, hold the power button, power off. Give it a few seconds. There you go, the phone is off. Now we're going to take the SIM card out. Now if this tool, the SIM card opener is too short, you can use your tweezer because maybe the pin is shorter than where the SIM card tray locker is. So you can put your tweezer in the hole. And then there you go, guys. The SIM card tray is out with the SIM card. Put that to the side. Next step, what we need to do is to take the Galaxy S8 Plus back glass. So we're gonna take it completely out of the phone so we can get to the screws under it and replace it. So of course this has a double side tape on it, so we're gonna have to heat it up a little bit so we can pry it open slowly without damaging it any further, because it seems like already has some damage in it, and the customer anyway didn't want to change the back glass, they only wanted to fix the screen. So I got my heat gun, guys. You can get any heat gun from Lowe's or a blow dryer, or check out the link below. It has the heat gun that I'm using. So we're just gonna give it a little bit of heat. Okay, next you want to use your tool, put it under the back glass screen and start sliding slowly. You see now it's inside. As you slide, you may want to bend your tool a little bit towards the top so you can see the gap here. Makes it easier. And guys, this glass repair should be very easy, so stick with me to the end and just watch this video. We already started, let's get it finished. And once we take the back glass out of the Galaxy S8, we should be 10% into the repair already. Take it slowly. If yours is not cracked, just do it slowly. You don't want to crack it, but the customer doesn't care because his is already cracked. Alright, so the back glass is out of the phone. So now what you want to do, you want to take all of these silver screws out of the back of the phone. So let's remove them now. And guys, if your Galaxy S8 touchscreen is not working, or if it's not responding to the touch, that could be one of the issues, is that your screen need to be replaced, and many other LCD problems also. But to change the LCD on the Galaxy S8 Plus or the S8 should be very easy to repair if you get the complete kit. When I say a complete kit, I mean it's like you get the screen, the LCD, and the frame all in one piece. You don't have to glue nothing up, and it's more accurate. And anyway, you want to make your customer happy. If you're a shop watching this video, or if you're a person fixing your own Galaxy S8, then do it the right way. Now when I replace the LCD out of this phone, the LCD glass might get damaged, but we don't care because we're already replacing it with the new one. Now guys, there's only one screw left here, so just be patient with me, and you can do it. If I'm going too fast, slow it down or pause it and come back and watch it, please. Alright, let's see what we got left here. Take this one out. This one, it's already out. And what we got here, what is that here? Let's see. Can't see that. Alright, there's no screws under there. Next, you want to take the back button out of the phone. So you want to take your plastic pry tool here, put it under the battery, under the button cable, and you can lift it open. And then now I'm going to zoom in to show you how to do that. Again, put that under and lift it open. Here you go, came out. And guys, if you'll be doing these kind of repairs for your family members or anyone else, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification button, so every time I release new videos, you will get notified. And I'll give you everything I got, because I want to be the best in here. Okay guys, so as you see, I just removed the plastic back cover with the wireless antenna. Then I removed the other plastic piece that was under it, put it to the side. Then you want to remove the bottom plastic shield here also. It's a little bit hard. Let's see, you may want to use a tweezer, pry it open, but I'll show you. Just do it the same way I'm doing it. There you go, came out. What I did, I just put the tip of the tweezer, this was like that, I just put it under and I lift it open. But be careful, don't push it in too hard and don't push it in too deep also. So next, what you want to do is basically you want to take the complete board out of the Galaxy S8 Plus, because with the new screen replacement, it has some parts already to it, but it doesn't have everything. Like it doesn't have a front camera, it doesn't have back camera, it doesn't have a battery. So we're gonna have to replace all these parts and take them from the old phone or the old screen and put them on the new screen. So next we're gonna disconnect the battery, and then I'm gonna zoom in and show you how to disconnect the battery. Put the plastic tool under here, because that's your battery. That's your battery cable. So put the plastic tool under and put it under the cable and push to the top. There you go. You see how it came out? It came out. Alright, so first you gotta disconnect basically all the cables that are connected to the circuit board. So it seems like we got one more here. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit more so you can see it better, because this is smaller cable. There you go, came out. Then you want to remove the front camera cable. This one here to the top, the one next to it. I think that's for the proximity sensor, I'm not sure. I have to look at it. Now once you remove it, you can transfer it right away to the new one, so you don't forget. So basically, if you're going to be removing this one here, let's see what it is. Where is it actually? Yeah, that's the front camera. If you think you're going to forget where does it belong, put it right away on the new one. So I'm just going to put it here. I'm not going to forget, but I'm doing it for you guys. So I'm going to put it right away here. The next one, put it right next to it, just so you don't forget where it goes. Okay, done from this part here. Now we're gonna disconnect the Galaxy S8 Plus LCD ribbon cable from here. Put the plastic tool under the cable and apply it a little bit to the top. There you go, came out. And while I was doing this cable also came out. So I think that's for your signal or Wi-Fi antenna. Then next you want to remove these two cables, one white and one blue. I'm going to zoom in and show you how to remove them. But be very slow with these two, because if the connector on these cables get bended, they will never sit back on the board correctly. So just under it. Actually, the easier way is you use the other side of the plastic tool and you put it under the cable and push to the top. You see both of them came up. Put it under and push to the top. Alright. Now this is your charging port, and the charging port to connect it to the circuit board by a cable, but the cable connector is under the board, so it's kind of tricky for the Galaxy S8 Plus. But I'll show you how you take it out. Plastic tool again. Lift it open slowly. There you go. Let me zoom out so you can see everything that's happening. I'll zoom out just a little bit. There you go. Remove the battery cable. Let's see. Don't pull it hard. If you feel like there's something stuck in there, or if there's something still connected to it, just do it slowly. Here we go. That's the circuit board of the Galaxy S8 Plus. We're gonna put that to the side. Put the new part here, and let's see what we need to transfer. Doesn't have a battery. We need the battery. We need to remove the charging port and the head jack, which is right here. We need to move the vibrator. And what is that? Let's see. First thing I'll be doing is taking one step at a time. So I'm going to remove the vibrator, and then going to remove the battery. So first vibrator, second battery. Let's do that. Let's take the vibrator out of the S8 Plus and the battery also. But guys, you want to heat them up a little bit first, because these has very strong tape also. You can heat it from the top on the battery. You gotta be very careful. You don't want to get too close to the battery if you're putting the heat directly to the battery. Or you can heat it up from the screen side. Now use your pry tool, put it on the edge, and you see what I'm doing? Try to go this way, sideways with it. It's not gonna work. That means the tape is still strong. Oh, if you can lift it up a little bit like that, you can put the plastic tool here also. So let me show you. You can put the plastic tool. And just push to the side of the battery. Guys, do it very slow, please. This battery, I mean, you don't want to put a hole in it. It's dangerous. It's a lithium-ion battery. So when you replace and do this kind of repair, especially on Samsung phones, not iPhones, Samsung phones, any Samsung Galaxy repair, you want to be very slow when you replace any part in it. Okay, the battery is out. I'm not gonna put the battery up now. I'm gonna take the vibrator out. Now you see I'm putting the heat on the screen side. I'm trying to heat up the glass of the Galaxy S8 so the heat can transfer back to the vibrator tape. Guys, just stay with me. We're 50% down. Alright, let's heat it up some more, guys. Alright, we're gonna change the tip of the screwdriver from the Phillips to a flathead. Okay. Use a flathead. I'm gonna put it under the vibrator just so you can see it. I'll zoom in on this step so you can see exactly what's happening. I'm gonna put it under. And I'm gonna do a little bit from this side also, right here. There you go, guys. You see how it's gonna come out? Watch and see how it's gonna come out. Alright, came out, but go slower, guys, please. So the screw slipped out of my hand. The screwdriver, I mean. Put the tip back, and then I'm gonna switch back to the Phillips. Alright, I'm gonna put the transfer the vibrator on the new Galaxy S8 Plus screen replacement. Yep, that's the old one actually. then I'm just gonna put it right away on the new one, and it goes like this. That's how it goes. Pay attention here. I'm gonna zoom in and show you how it sits. Move this to the side for now. There you go. Here you go, here you go, here you go. Battery check, I'm gonna help you. Good, how are you? Yeah, I got you. Okay. Which LG is it, do you know? What's the model number of it? Yeah, just come in, leave a deposit. I call you back once I get the parts. Why? Are you far from us?
I'm in Elbach, which is 20, I don't know, I'm not coming today, obviously. About 25 miles away.
Okay, I got you. Yeah, we can fix the maybe with. Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. What's your name?
Anas.
Okay, very good. All right, thank you, Anas.
Thank
All
you.
right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Alright, what we were doing now. Alright guys, we're almost done with the repair. All we gotta do left is take the charging port, put it here, and what is that? That's the power button cable. We're gonna remove this shield with the connector here, and then we'll be all set. So stick to the repair guys, we're almost done. Just stay with me. Stay with me. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and hit the notification button so you'll get notified every time I make videos about phones, tablets, computers, batteries, car batteries, cell phone batteries, anything. You'll get notified, please. Thank you, and then let's continue with the repair now guys. So we're gonna put the Galaxy S8 new screen LCD to the side. Then we're gonna take the charging port out, but let's see here guys, there is, I'm gonna show you something. I zoomed in. We got 1 2 3 4 5 screws. 1 2 3 4 5 black screws that we gotta take out. Let's take them out now. How about that? Let's take them out now. Let's take out the black screws. Use your Phillips head screwdriver. So remember, the only black screws on this Galaxy S8 Plus is the ones on the bottom, and they're towards the charging port area. Charging port, head jacks. So when you put them back, the black screws will not go anywhere else but this bottom area here. I'll take this one too here. Then the last one on this corner here. Guys, this is a very easy screen replacement for the S8. If you just swap your parts from one screen to the other screen, everything should be easy. As if you follow this video, you shouldn't be struggling anywhere. Next, what you want to do, there is a cable here. That's the head jack, and it's connecting to the charging port with a connector. So plastic opener tool, put it under, and maybe left open. Let's make sure this part is supposed to come out. Yep, it came out. Next, we're gonna remove the head jack. But guys, when you remove the head jack, be very slow. I'm going to show you a trick here that you can do. You maybe want to use this. Let's see if it works. It's not going to work. You want to take your tweezer. You want to close your tweezer, put it inside of your head jack, and push up. There you go. You see that? I hope you heard it too. It did pop open. So take the head jack. Be careful with the cable here. Be very slow. Gentle when you take it apart. You just want it to come out in the way it comes out of the frame. Go to the side. Now we're going to heat this area here so we can take our charging port out of the screen and put it on the new replacement. And guys, the Galaxy S8, the screens that come with the phone has many problems after a while, especially if you drop your phone a lot. Like, it could be flickering, touch not working. It may have some burn, which is when you drop your phone, there is LED lights behind the screen. So when those LED lights get burned out, you'll see spots, or you may see dots on the screen, on the Galaxy S8 screen. But anyway, let's heat this area up and take it apart. You don't want to put too much heat on this area because there's a lot of chips, resistors, capacitors, cables, but I'm just doing it to weaken up the double side tape. Alright guys, let's give it a try now. I don't know if that was enough heat, but we're gonna find out. Alright, so here, be very slow. You see I put the tweezer just to separate the board out of the screen. Just lift it up a little bit, no pressure. Then I'm going to use the plastic tool. You see what I'm doing? Just follow my steps, guys. Please follow my steps. Just follow what I'm doing. There you go. So I'm gonna put it back. I don't know if you guys saw what just happened or not, but let me zoom out a little bit so I don't have this problem again. I'm going to put the tweezer under the board right here. Okay, I'm gonna lift it up higher, put the plastic tool in, then move your plastic tool right left. Here, I'll show you. Like this, a little bit to the right, a little bit to the left. There you go. You see how it came out? It came out. Okay guys, so now we got this out. Now we gotta take the charging port and the charging port cable out of the screen. We're gonna heat it up also. Alright guys, by the way, we're almost done, so stay with me please. We're almost done with this repair. You're gonna have a new screen on your phone, then you'll be on your way to go. But before you go, please give this video a thumbs up, like it, share it. Be careful guys here, so I heat it up. Then I'm putting the plastic tool here under the cable. I'm just sliding it slowly. It seems like there is something here, so let's see what it is. Alright, so this is the problem. We gotta take this out here. You guys remember at the beginning of the video I told you guys you gotta be very careful with these kind of pins here. So that cable is taped to the side of the screen from the inside, of course, and we gotta take it out. But I'm not gonna risk it without heating it. I'm gonna heat it up first guys, because if this cuts off, the customers have to get delayed and we have to order him a new piece, new part, and of course you don't want to do that. Okay, take a look guys, take a look with me here, take a look. See, I'm going to try to put that plastic tool behind the cable. It's very important here not to damage this cable, and also important to be patient with this cable. So if I pull it just a little bit, I want you to see that. Nope, I'm not gonna do that. It's going to break if I pull it, so I'm gonna heat it up more. But I'm gonna heat it this time from the other side. I'm gonna heat it from here on the edge of the screen. That way the heat will go right behind the glass. Going to use this, and I'm gonna slide it slowly in. I'm gonna pull on the cable just a little bit. I think I got it out just a little bit guys, but I just don't like the way it looks. Gonna heat it up more, and that's where the patience comes in guys. You gotta be patient when you fix electronics. Alright guys, once we take this cable out of here, everything else should be super easy. So right now here I'm putting my tweezer behind the cable and I'm pushing towards the battery side. All we need to do is separate the cable from the frame of the glass or the frame of the LCD. There you go, came out. Now I'm gonna look at the cable here. Okay. Alright, everything looks good. Now we can take a look again and see if we have to transfer any more pieces. Hold on. I'm holding it the opposite way. Put both of the screens together. We start from the bottom and then we go to the top. We see we got this piece here. 5 gold. That's the charging port area. That's the microphone area on both of the screens. We're matching the spots on both of the screen replacement. I mean, on both of the old screen and then the new S8 screen replacement. Now we took the cable out of here. We don't need to transfer the power cable because there is already one on the new screen. And then we transfer the. Yep, that's it, guys. Once we put the cables on, once we put the charging port, we should be ready to go. Alright, let's do it now. Now stay with me, guys. We're almost done with this repair. So if you just give us at least 5 more minutes, 5-10 minutes, this repair should be done. And your phone should be working with no issues at all. Your glass will be fixed. Your screen will be very smooth, and then I'm pretty sure you'll be happy with this LCD, with the Galaxy S8 LCD assembly, because it just makes the repair easier, guys. See, it wasn't hard. Sometimes I know there's other parts online where you can buy the Galaxy S8 plus screen only or glass only, but that will make your life a nightmare because you gotta separate the parts and you're gonna glue them together and you're gonna use Alka glue and a whole bunch of stuff. And I can guarantee you this, if you're doing it for the first time, 110% you'll be damaging your phone. Okay, so I put the charging port and then I did put in the head jack. Then I'm going. You remember, guys, the head jack had a cable. The head jack had a cable, so we're gonna put the cable back in there, and I'll show you. That's the cable. I'm just gonna press it down, guys. So if you guys doing this with me, let's press it down together. Press this cable down. You can use your finger, your tools, anything. God gave you a finger for a reason, so use them. I'll press it down. Make sure it's flat. Alright, what's the next step, guys? Do you remember? You guys remember what's the next step? The next step is putting the black screws. What color screws goes here? Nope, not silver. Black, guys. Okay. We're almost done, guys. Stay to the end of the video, please. We're almost done. Don't get bored. Don't give up. Okay. Now we're gonna put the screws. There's one here and one there. So I believe there's just one on this side here. And there is 3 of them on top of the charging port. There is one here. And there is another screw on the other side of it. And then I believe there is one more right here. And guys, if your Galaxy S8 one day stops charging, now you know how to change a charging port there. Now you know how to replace your charging port, because I just showed you how. So you should have no excuse on changing your Galaxy S8 charging ports, because I just showed you in this video. This video should show you everything: how to disassemble the Galaxy S8, how to change the screen on the Galaxy S8, how to change a battery on the Galaxy S8, how to change a vibrator on the Galaxy S8, how to change a front and back camera in Galaxy S8 Plus. All of these things, you'll be able to see it through this YouTube video, guys. And if you search it on Google, you'll probably see this video also. Alright guys, let's get it going. We're almost done, and I believe we are done. What else we gotta do? That's it guys. All we gotta do is put the board on there. Oh no, we got one more thing to do. We just gotta take this out of here, and that's where I believe your proximity sensor is. Actually no, let me check. The board goes in like this. Nope, like that. And what's here? Is that a SIM card slot? I'm not sure what is this gold piece here for, but I'm gonna heat it up, and I actually think this is your SIM card tray. Let's see. I'm gonna heat this piece up and try to open it. Let's see. Hopefully you guys are watching this with me and doing it with me. Well, here you go. I just put the tweezer under. I heat it up. I'm gonna lift it up, and bamba booyah, it just came out. And guys, hey, if you know what this bamba booyah mean, leave it in the comment below, please, because I don't know. I just heard it from somebody. So please leave it in the comment below and tell me, what does bamba booyah mean? Just pause this video now, leave that comment, come back and play it. You love this, don't you? Oh yeah, baby. We got everything else. We're done with the repair, guys. We're almost done. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Be patient. We're putting the boards back in there. Stay with me, please. Guys, before you even put the board, you can pause the video and please give it a thumbs up, just like it. Thank you so much for doing that. I just saw you did it. Thank you. Alright, let me zoom out so you can see what's happening here. So I put the board from the top, but now the charging port cable, I'm going to push it in. Move all the cables from the board so the board sits flush. Okay? You want the board to sit flushed on the back of the screen. Now what you want to do is push the board down a little bit. There you go. I know you heard it. So what happened now is the board got clipped to the charging port cable. So you put your charger here, power goes through here to the board, from the board to the battery. That was very easy, wasn't it? And common sense also. Actually, we're gonna lift it up a little bit here. And the reason why we forgot to do one thing, and then I'm gonna show you what I forgot, is those cable, you gotta feed them from under the board. So lift it up, press down. The board is up. What we got here? One cable here, the other one there. The blue one goes in first because the blue one is longer. So you put the blue one. See, I'm gonna show you here through that blast, through this gap here. And then of course. All right, now we're gonna put the white one on top of it. There you go. There you go, here you go, here you go. Alright, zoom back out. Move the front camera cables. And then move the cables from the LCD. Galaxy S8 LCD, remove the cable to it. then pushed on the board down. Watch, you're gonna hear it. Nope, did not work because it did not sit right. Guys, sometimes it clicks, sometimes it doesn't click. But sometimes you'll be able to hear it, sometimes you won't. Let's try. Yep, you won't be able to hear it. Then we're gonna put the Galaxy S8 LCD, the Galaxy S8 Plus LCD back to the circuit board. Just bend it and press it down. Guys, stay with me, we're almost done. We're about 99.9% done. Okay. Now we need to put the blue cable and the white cable down. Alright guys, so we're gonna put the two cables back in there. We got the blue one and the white one. You can use a tweezer or you can use this. Let's use this one, it's safer. I'm gonna zoom in so you can see exactly what's going on. I'm gonna put the blue one in first. Usually want to feel it and then press it down with your screwdriver. But it may take a couple of tries, but it'll go in. But you have to try it many times sometimes, or sometimes it may go in from the first time. Now we're gonna put the white one, the white cable, connected to the board. Alright, it's in. Now we're gonna put this cable in. We're not gonna put it in, we're gonna clamp it to the board. Same idea, guys. There you go, push it down. Make sure it clips. You gotta give it many tries. And be very slow, guys, please. Alright. Next, we're going to put this cable in. Make sure it gets hooked to the board. Hopefully you can see it good. Now as you see, I'm moving the cables with my finger, but I'm pressing down with the screwdrivers once I feel that the cable is on the right spot. Well, over here it's not in the right spot right now. There you go, this one went in. Now put the front camera cable in. With the second cable. Once we do this one, last one, we'll be all set, guys. Just watch this video for 2 more minutes, and then basically you'll see yourself you're done with the repair. Next, let's see which part goes in first. Let me zoom out. If I press this down, just press the plastic pieces down. Then you need to put the second piece, so you lift the wireless antenna up like that, and you put it under, and you also press down. Then you want to put the last piece where it's hooked to the loudspeaker, your ringer speaker, you want to call it that. I'm gonna press down. Oops. Let's see. I actually want to put this end first. So put it on an angle. Press down. That's it, guys. All you have to do now is press the put the screws back in the board. All right. What color screws we have now? Silver screws. We're gonna put all of the silver screws together. Oops. Guys, I'm sorry. I forgot to put the battery. The battery cable goes on the top. Next step, guys, we gotta put the battery cable in there. I'm gonna connect it to the board. As you see, guys, in my videos, I always like to put the battery cable first, and then the battery, just in case the battery shifted down a little bit, then the cable gets shorter on this end, then it don't fit. But when you put the cable first, you will get it the right way, 100%. Alright, next, plastic piece right here. This cable got opened. We're gonna make sure it's in again. I'm gonna zoom in so you can see it. There you go. Hopefully you guys heard it. Now when you put this last plastic piece, you want to put this end first. So you put it on an angle like that. Alright. And you want the plastic pieces here to sit flush with the frame of the screen. Now we're going to put all the silver screws together. We can start from the bottom to the top. Guys, stay out here and I'll be showing you an important step on how to put the back cover. Yep, stay here. I'll be showing you how to put the back glass on Galaxy S8. Okay, what's going on here? Alright, now we're gonna lift the wireless antenna up like that and put the rest of the screws. Now you can down. Continue putting the screws in the back of the phone. Almost done, guys. Almost done. The problem is I want to finish this video because my battery is about to die. And I can see it in the screen is going very low. So hopefully we'll have enough battery juice to finish this video for you. Alright, so now we're gonna put the back button cable into place. I'll zoom in so you can see it. That's the cable connector on the board, and that's the cable connector here. Put on top of it, and you want to use your fingers or you want to use your screwdriver to push it down. Once you hear it or feel it clicked in, you'll be good to go. Alright, I feel like it's in all the way. I'm feeling very comfortable right now to close the back cover of the screen. Just push it like that. The customer did not want to change this, so he's fine with it the way it is. Put your SIM card back in there. Then now we're going to test the screen. Let's test the Galaxy S8 Plus screen and see how good it is, and see if the repair and the screen that we did to the Galaxy S8 Plus solved the customer problem. See, now the glass is very clear, no more cracks. And guys, if you like this video and if you learned something new today, please subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button, like it, share it with your friends or someone you know that needs Galaxy S8 Plus repair. Everything's fine. Guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next video very soon. And thank you for helping me growing this channel. I won't grow without you, so please support me. Thank you.